Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem many users face when dealing with their devices. Have you ever encountered the issue of your phone battery draining too quickly? It's a frustrating problem that can really disrupt your day, especially when you're out and about. But fear not, because we've got the solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to our battery draining problem. By disabling background app refresh on your device, you can significantly improve your battery life. This feature allows apps to refresh their content in the background, consuming precious battery power in the process. By turning it off, you'll ensure that only the apps you're actively using are consuming energy, leading to a longer-lasting battery. In addition to disabling background app refresh, another solution to tackle the battery draining issue is by reducing the brightness of your screen. We all love a bright and vibrant display, but it comes at a cost, quite literally in this case. By decreasing the brightness of your screen, you'll lower the energy consumption of a device, ultimately extending the battery life. In summary, if you're tired of constantly dealing with your phone's battery draining too quickly, try disabling background app refresh and lowering your screen brightness. These simple solutions can make a significant difference in improving your device's battery life. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your favorite battery saving tip. See you in the next one.